It's all original. It's all original.
You design it, see if we can build it. Join our Design Your ASUS AMD PC contest to win your very own dream PC. Here's how to enter. Step 1. Create your hashtag dream PC and hashtag ROG B550 by drawing, 3D designing, graphic designing, or go old school, handcrafting. Use Lego bricks, cardboard, or papercraft. Step 2. You must incorporate the following products in your design: ASUS ROG TUF B550 motherboard, ROG TUF AMD graphics card, ROG TUF PSU and cooling, and the total cost of PC parts should not exceed $3,000 US. Step 3. Submit your entries through the form below and post it on your social media, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and use the hashtag DreamPC and hashtag ROGB550, and make sure your post is public. 2 grand prize winners will be chosen, and your design will be built by these one-of-a-kind, industry-renowned PC modders, Mods by Ben Q and Snep. 3 winners will win an ROG peripheral set, 20 winners will win a limited edition ROG sweatshirt, and 30 winners will win an ROG swag pack. You design it, we build it. Enter now for a chance to win your own ASUS AMD PC.